Last 1 minute, leaders.
Thousand.
6,623,000.
Congratulations, sir. You're the upgrade. Let's
1,470.05. Our new floor price is set at, wait lang po, getting more exciting. TDY consumer, are you ready to check on the new floor price?
May yellow pa naman yun, di ba? Ay, isa na lang. Hindi na.
Parang bumalik ko sa presyo ng nasa.
At 12,178,174.15. TDY Consumer Goods Trading, do you accept the new floor price? Okay, we heard the confirmation from TDY Consumer Goods. They accepted the new floor price of 12,178,174.15. Les Etrel Jewelries, are you set for the new floor price? Okay, we're still competing for the new floor price.